Kayak Fishing Tales is brought to you by Ocean Kayak, makers of the Trident and Ultra series of fishing kayaks, and the Torque, which features a removable Minn Kota motor. Check them out at oceankayak.com. After a quick scouting mission, the guys have decided there's enough water in the Umpherville to attempt to paddle upstream to the lake, and word has it that the rapids they'll encounter are filled with fish.
Yeah, that's a Minor Bay Lodge Grayling. Look at that baby. Whoa.
We got some grayling, now we just gotta find some walleye.
That's a nice fish.
The guys continue their way upstream, excited to see what lies around every corner. Their progress is brought to a screeching halt, though, as they encounter a particularly steep rapid surrounded by thick brush and steep banks. Now well into the day, the guys decide the best course of action is to leave their kayaks behind and fish their way up the banks.
We got a male. You can see that it's a male by the extra colorful large dorsal fin. Looks like something might have had a grab at it in the past. Living around all these pike and walleye, they often get wounded. They're soft-bodied fish, so they're like candy to some of these bigger fish.
Isn't that beautiful?
Got a big old grayling. It's the biggest one of the day. Maybe 20 inches, who knows, we'll figure it out. We marked it on the rod, so we'll have a good idea of how long it is. But we need to get it back in the water.